Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to top up your Monzo account but didn't have your card handy? Maybe you're traveling, or perhaps you've misplaced your card. Whatever the reason, it's a common dilemma. But fear not, there are several ways to add funds to your Monzo account even without your physical card. Let's dive in and explore these options. Option 1. Bank Transfer. One of the most straightforward ways to add money to your Monzo account is through a bank transfer. This is a great option if you have another bank account linked to your Monzo account. Here's how it works. Log into your online banking. Access your online banking portal for your primary bank. Find the Payee or Transfer section. Look for the option that allows you to make a payment or transfer funds. Add Monzo as a payee. If you haven't already, add Monzo as a payee. You will typically need to provide Monzo's sort code and account number. Enter the amount. Specify the amount you want to transfer to your Monzo account. Confirm and send. Review the details and confirm the transfer. The funds should arrive in your Monzo account within a few minutes. Option 2. Monzo app. The Monzo app offers a convenient way to add funds to your account. Here's how. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone. Tap the top-up button. Look for the top-up button or a similar option in the app's main menu. Select Bank Transfer. Choose the Bank Transfer option. Follow the instructions. The app will guide you through the process of transferring funds from your linked bank account. You will typically need to provide your online banking credentials to complete the transfer. Option 3. Cash Deposits. If you prefer to deposit cash directly into your Monzo account, you can do so at certain retail locations. Look for stores that have a partnership with Monzo. These locations often have cash deposit machines where you can add funds to your account. The process is usually quite simple. Find a participating store. Locate a store that offers Monzo cash deposits. Go to the cash deposit machine. Find the cash deposit machine within the store. Follow the instructions. The machine will guide you through the deposit process. You will typically need to scan a QR code or enter your Monzo account number. Insert cash. Insert the cash you want to deposit into the machine. Confirm and collect receipt. Review the transaction details and confirm the deposit. You will usually receive a receipt as proof of the deposit. Option 4. Monzo Prepaid Cards. If you don't have a linked bank account, you can still add funds to your Monzo account using a Monzo Prepaid Card. These cards can be purchased from certain retailers or online. Once you have a prepaid card, you can simply load it with cash at a participating retailer and then transfer the funds to your Monzo account. Additional tips. Check transfer limits. Be aware of any transfer limits or fees associated with adding funds to your Monzo account. These may vary depending on your region and the method you're using. Confirm transactions. Always confirm your transactions to ensure that the correct amount is being transferred to your Monzo account. Contact Monzo support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to contact Monzo's customer support. They can assist you with resolving any problems and provide further guidance. Conclusion. As you can see, there are several convenient ways to put money in your Monzo account without a card. Whether you prefer to use a bank transfer, the Monzo app, cash deposits, or a prepaid card, there's an option to suit your needs. By understanding these methods, you'll be well equipped to manage your Monzo account even in situations where your physical card is unavailable. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.